Hi all, welcome back. My name is Vivek, and today we are going to talk about a very important sensor that is called a relay sensor. Okay, I'll just show you how it looks like. If you can see over here, okay, so before we go into uh, the physical object which I have, okay, I'll just show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is something which looks like, let me just show you over here. Okay, relay. So if you guys have seen a relay, okay, if you guys have not seen a relay, so this is my relay. It looks something like this, and then there are various variant of this relay. Okay, one of the variant which we are going to use, okay, so this is how the relay will look like. So if you can see, it will have a multiple pins. There are 5 relays over here. Okay, and this is basically you read over on the top. Okay, it is a 10 ampere to 50 volt and so on and so forth. So what a relay does, it's basically through a very low voltage which goes through Arduino, relay can power on and off, okay, a higher voltage circuit, or a like in India we have a 220 volt signal, right, AC signal. So that is what the relay is mainly used for. Okay, so this is a brief background. Okay, and how we can use relay. Okay, so one of the relay, right now, if you have a TV in your room, or if you have a lamp in your room, okay, if you have anything light or something which is basically turned off by 220 volt, and what you can do, you can include a relay into your circuit, and your circuit will operate as a 5 volt, and relay will eventually use it for a higher voltage signal. Okay, again the relay configuration might differ, right? So how does it look, how do we define a relay? A relay is used to switch high voltage application using a low voltage. That is what I mentioned. This is often used in house as well, since it is safe option to switch on and off the high voltage. You apply a small voltage to one side of the relay and it will switch the other side on and off, right? And other side is normally a higher voltage circuit, right? You can do many things with the relay. We will not talk about all of this, what you can do. So what we will focus on, we will focus on relay, and then we will focus on with our Arduino code. Okay, so right now I made a very simple Arduino code, okay, which says just turn on and off my relay, okay, based on a certain output. So right now my relay has got a 3 pin. Okay, so I'm going to show you my relay. Okay, so this is how I have connected my relay, right? And this has got 3 pins, and the light on and off, you are just saying it is basically after a delay in my code, of which is 1000 millisecond delay that you can see in the code. Just observe the code, and after every 1000 millisecond this relay will go on and off. Okay, right now this is very simple, as I mentioned, so we will just I'm just going to show you that. So it has got a 3 pin. Okay, so basically I have a 3 wires. So one of them so all of them is connected to my Arduino board. Okay, so this is my Arduino board. The Arduino board is now connected to my relay. Okay, now if you see this, the red wire I have used as an output. Okay, so basically the output goes on the pin number 10. Okay, and the pin which is the other 2 pin are basically used as a 5 volt and a ground. Okay, so based on this signal on pin number 10, okay, my relay is going on and off. That's what you could see, right? So this is a simple code, and then in the next successive sections we will see how to connect this relay and then power on of a lighting which is available in our home. Okay, so thanks for joining the session. We will meet for more sessions, more sensors in our future meeting. Thank you for joining the session.